Hey everybody, welcome to Ballistic Chronicles. Today I'm going to be showing you how to trim and deburr some 270 Winchester shells. First of all, what I do is I put in my little guide. So when I trim it, it trims it flat and straight. And then I have a little template shell here. I stick that in there and then I close it and then I tighten down your thing here. Once I get that done, I'm ready to trim. So I'll trim these shells here and then I will show you how to deburr them. Now that I'm done trimming all my cases, what I'll do is I'll take this little deal here. It just screws off and on onto this handle here. And this handle, I actually got it when I got the thing to deburr the flash hole for reloading precision rounds. So what I'll do is I will just take these cases here and I will deburr the outside because it has a little lip on it and you don't want to run that. Yeah, it has a little lip on it from trimming it. And you don't want to be running that through your press when you seat the bullet. So you guys probably don't want to watch me deburr the outside of all these, so I'll just show you quick how to deburr the inside. To deburr the inside, there's this little tool here. You take and just unscrew your first tool and screw in this tool. And you can deburr the inside of all the cases. Once I get these all deburred, then I'll move on to putting primers in them all. And I will make another video on that sometime later. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come back next time. See you then.